Hello you beautiful people. My god, it's such an amazing day here on the beach. Can you believe it's mid-February and the sky is completely blue, no clouds, and the sea, as you can see behind me here, is beautifully flat. Anyway, so what I've done is I come down to the beach today and I just wanted to shoot a little video talking about how to boost your immune system naturally. Because I know this time of year there's loads of bugs and viruses and everything flying around that we can pick up so easily from our kids, neighbours, whatever, or our loved ones. And this little breathing technique that I'm going to show you in a minute can really sort that problem out for you. It's called humming. You may have heard it before. It's basically you create the sound of bees humming, like that. So you're taking a breath in at the top, and at the top hold it, and then you let out this and that vibrational sound that that's caused in your your nasal and your mouth cavities is causing a natural gas in your body to form called nitric oxide. And what that does is it kills off all these bacteria and bugs that enter your system sort of straight away. It also vasodilates your blood vessels so that your blood flow can flow more smoothly and more efficiently through your system. And it's amazing natural gas that we all have, that we can all produce naturally, as I said, to kill off these bugs. So let me just quickly demonstrate it for you. So you're taking a nice little breath in and then hold your breath and then hum. So you're breathing in through your nose and then hum, keeping your mouth closed. And letting it out. And I do it normally. I try and do this every day actually during the winter. About 5 rounds of it. So breathing in for a count of 4, holding it, and then breathing out whilst humming for a count of 6. Couple of minutes hold, and then repeat that cycle for about 5 rounds. Keep doing that, boost your immune system naturally. So who needs these pills and potions, eh? Give it a go, see what happens. Bye for now.